The Indian media also alleges that Dr. Zakir Naik is a preacher of hate and he delivers hateful sermons. I would request the Indian media or anyone who agrees with this view to point out a single passage from my speech or anywhere from my book where I promote hate or which proves that I am a preacher of hate. In fact, I am a propagator of peace. I am a Dai of Islam, a propagator of peace. I am a peacemaker. And the mission of my life is to make peace enter every home in the world. One of the Indian news channel went to the extent of saying, what is the requirement of a formal inquiry when all his rabid remarks are on tape? So that's the reason I am undergoing a media trial. That means all these Indian satellite channels, the news channels, and the Indian print media, now they are the judge. They are passing judgment and they are sending their reporters to investigate. And believe me, this is unconstitutional to lay an allegation against someone without giving him a proper hearing or based on reports which are fabricated and unauthentic. And if we do a formal inquiry, you will come to know that the remarks that are there on tape, almost all of them, they are either out of context, they are half statements, or they are doctored. A doctored tape or a sentence out of context doesn't hold good in a formal court of law. In a court of law of these news channels, it may carry weight. But I would love to have a proper hearing from anyone who accuses me, and I will prove to him undoubtedly that there is not an iota of doubt that Zakir Naik has always condemned terrorism and is against the killing of innocent people and is against terrorism.